In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay PhilHealth contribution online using GCash. Before we begin, make sure you have the GCash app installed and you're logged in on a stable internet connection. It also helps to have your PhilHealth details on hand so you can enter them accurately without switching screens too much. Start by opening the GCash app. Before doing anything else, check that your wallet has sufficient funds to cover the contribution you intend to pay. If the balance is short, top up first so the payment won't fail mid-process. From the GCash home screen, tap Bills. This takes you to the Bills payment section, where payments to government agencies are handled just like utility bills. Next, choose Government from the list of categories. This narrows the billers to official government partners inside the app, making it quicker to find what you need. Use the search bar and type PhilHealth. When the PhilHealth options appear, select the appropriate PhilHealth biller or type that matches your contribution. Picking the correct type ensures your payment is tagged to the right account and period. You'll now see a form. Enter the amount you're paying. Make sure the amount follows your current PhilHealth assessment or contribution schedule. Entering an incorrect amount could delay posting, so it's worth a quick double check. Select whether the account is private or government. This refers to the employer classification on record with PhilHealth. Choose the one that matches your organization to avoid misapplied payments. Enter the employer number. Type it carefully, including any leading zeros if applicable. A small typo here can send the payment to the wrong account, so verify each digit before moving on. Enter the SPA. This typically refers to the statement of premium account or a similar PhilHealth issued reference tied to your billing. Use the exact reference provided by PhilHealth so your payment is matched correctly. Choose the applicable month for the contribution. Make sure the month and year reflect the period you intend to pay to keep your records up to date. Then enter a valid email address you can access. This is where GCash or PhilHealth may send a copy of your transaction details for your reference. When everything looks correct, tap Next. Take a moment to review the summary on the screen. If any detail doesn't match your records, go back and correct it before proceeding. And that's it. Following these steps helps ensure your PhilHealth contribution via GCash is recorded accurately and without hassle.